stare. You gotta keep it going, and you gotta keep it rolling. Shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars.
I've been. Hey, what's up, Sterenism, Mr. Nation, and to my players. Welcome to the Nayful Podcast. We are coming at you live at the blog, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use this podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronic.co.za. Today in the studio, we are joined by East London's number one, Eastern Cape's number one.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Bakhona abantu walking ba?
Ayibo.
Obviously there are bakhona bayenzayo, but ubu number one buhamba nelongevity. Mhlamba abawoqale nabo sebayeka.
They still are.
Basayenza? Oh, okay. Ngiyamcinga lo muntu ngcingayo. Okay.
Anyway, thank you.
Yes, yeah. We are joined by Usistina. Yes, we are joined by Usistina from Nouveau. Nouveau Inc. Nouveau Inc. She's a beautician. She's a fashion designer. Okay, beautician, makeup artist, a mother, a businesswoman. Should I know?
No, that's it. That's fine.
Lava. Kakabiku lava.
No.
Yeah? If I love you,
Greta Shobi. Wesphangela thina lo.
Ngikena ne poster. Usina lonke Valentine's.
We had a sip and shop.
Kwenziwa ntoni kwezawe?
A sip and shop. It's like, well, a luxury shopping experience. Uyafika, you shop around, you browse around while there's nibbles and drinks.
Then what?
Kaloku abathenga if you have questions on the product, because we're showcasing the products that I have under my business, which is the makeup tools and then the hair products for weaves and weave installations. So it was a chance for people to go have a look at the products and get to understand what they are for. Kona aba they would know the product, but they actually want more information on how to use it or maybe how to best enjoy it. So Paya, you get the opportunity to have an one-on-one interaction to ask questions about, okay, how does this one work? And how do I best use it? Because products, well, anything is, you can stretch it and use it for a couple of different things. So there's certain products that you can use for more than one thing, which people sometimes they don't get. So that was the whole point behind the sip and shop.
Okay.
So people to understand what the beauty bar, which is the store, the studio where we work from, so what the beauty bar offers and what other products are offered by my brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cela uzibulisele ebahlalini uchaza igama, uchaza ifani, uchaza isiduko, uzithuthe. Yeah.
Hi Ninji. Mulweni, everyone. Kutina Chevu of Nouveau Inc. The Salapamonti. I'm from Etoleni. Grew up in Monte, actually, yeah.
Yeah, this time all fresh.
What?
Ntombazana yaseTholeni ke lena.
I never said that.
Bayisithuko sakho.
Tumakhatebe.
Oh, khadi.
That's what I was avoiding. No, stop.
Okay, so uzalelwe eTholeni wamka wayeButterworth.
Yeah, inde. Ndizalelwe eCentane ne? Because that's where my mom was with her mother, my grandmother. So ndizalelwe eCentane. We lived eCentane for a bit, but originally everyone's from Etholeni, which is before Fiketu. And then my grandmother umzwakho eCentane, and my mom naye waqala uphangela phaya eCentane kwela cala, so ndivelele phaya. And then from about 6-7 years, dad's again in boarding school. And then when I was 9, everyone came moved to the side.
Oh, what was la experience lali?
No, in Posanga, I have experience. So every holiday, kaloku uyahamba goduka kuyozilalini. Sandiphosa.
Akufani nokukhulela.
But ndikhulele khona. Every holiday ndiyakhona, weekend ndiyakhona. Experience ilalini ndiyayazi.
Yokamanzi emlanjeni. Kanye
Well,
xesha lakho.
ndandibakhapha ngoko because kaloku ndandisemncinci xa kuyokho amanzi emlanjeni ndandibakhapha. And la experience ikhona. Kusisa ukutya emasimini. Kufika kuphekwe emini, kukhathelwe inkomo, sizifake ebuhlanti. Kaloku ndizisenga mna but I'm there. I've experienced it. No,
it's not your aesthetics.
Nah, it's not.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay. Usuka wobuthe ufundela bayindoka nani ngozopha. In fact, ngoku se high school ufundela.
In high school, in high school I wanted to do accounting. Ne. I think it was the safest. But in varsity ndathathwa kwi-marketing rather than accounting. I was accepted to second choice yam. It was marketing. And ndayithatha yes because I was accepted in varsity. But little did I know while marketing is actually what I needed to apply in my business when I start my business.
Ufunda phi in varsity?
Durban.
DUT.
DUT.
Oh,
sure. It was DIT back then.
Like that. You. I understand about it's been DUT for the past 20 years.
Has it been DUT for the past 20 years?
For the past 20 years.
Nyan?
So that means when you were there.
It's supposed to say, wait.
Nina.
Okay, what year was the change from DIT to DUT? Yes, so it wasn't. Well, it was almost DUT, I think.
Okay.
Well, it was still DIT. I think maybe in the last 2 years off DIT when I was
certificates I was no. DIT.
DIT funding.
Wafika I say DIT what wayophuma. Okay, sorry. So I'm trying to dibanisa noma ingqondo yakhe icinga kanjani coming from kuCendane uze East London phume from East London. As much as ngabaXhosa bobayi-2 uCendane neMonti, but they don't operate the same. Uthi se East London phinde uhambe uye emazulwini ke ngoku.
Yeah.
The experience njani for wena? Hey phela inzimo adjust location okanye adjust apha KZN. Oh, kanene.
Kanjani?
Kulewo ngosamuntu wena awuzange wana experience location.
I had it later in life experience as a location because dandi khalelo eve bakonjani hlala location. So I lived a location for a bit when I moved to Joburg.
Oh, Alexander.
What do you even mean? Listen, it was in the East Rand. That's a location in the East Rand with relatives. When I moved from Durban to Joburg. So I think I recommend the Tina going to live in other provinces as Umdong. I highly recommend it. Iyakufundisa land in terms of other cultures. How do they live? What are their moral standing? What is indlela that they live in life? How do they interact with each other and their way of life? It teaches you and actually also broadens indlela yakho yokucinga, indlela yakho of approaching situations, approaching people, approaching challenges. Yabo? So when you're exposed to different cultures, uyakwazi ukuthola different ways of how to actually do things and how to live and your way of life. Ukuthola both with the positives. It's kind of negatives. I'm not saying all the other cultures are perfect, but it really helps you and broadens your emotional intelligence. Yeah, it fine-tune a bit if you were to be exposed to different cultures. Like in Durban, you're exposed to Zulu people. I find Zulu people are more grounded and Then there's also, I'd say, Indians, that side.
Yes.
Nabo, they have their way of doing things, because I had friends as Ngamandia, I had friends as Ngamazulu, so it was quite nice to see how they live, Bona. Their way of living. No, they're totally different. Abalapa, I would say they, Andiazi, no, let's not dwell into it,
okay.
but
Yes.
I have my way of explaining them, and I understand why they are the way that they are. And yes, look, I'm not going to know the names of the different cultures, but in terms of how they live and how they do things. Yeah, so it's very important. And then you move to Joburg. Joburg has got a lot of other cultures. Now, you're quite one, okay, and then pick up from those people. Oh, okay, this is how they live their lives, this is how they do things. And when you were in so you learn to see, okay, this is how you interact and adapt to different situations. As opposed to if I feel it's different from when, let's say, ukulele apa in the Eastern Cape, ufunde, uphangele, wenze yonke into up without it being exposed. Sometimes, land, it has a bit of a challenge because you need to actually broaden your mind and understanding of how other things are done. Yeah, can be a bit limiting if you uphelele up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So endlini kuwe uyi firstborn okanye?
The firstborn.
Then kulandela abana ba?
I've got 2 younger sisters. Yeah.
18 gap.
Lows and Vagam, it's a 4-year gap, and then low it's a 12-year gap between us.
Uthi nxa ibiza lo mncinci?
Biza gam.
Oh, amantombazana, it doesn't matter.
Biza gam. Susanna gam. Because even our mom, Tina, me, and my sister, our mother's coolest and bizu sisi, because we grew up around her and her siblings, and baby bizu sisi, so not some cool and bizu sisi.
So Tina, kusinazo, what's
Afikil.
Afikil. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Uthe eskela ku music book koba. On music book boss. Can you music book?
How would you know that? How would you know that?
But how
would you know that? He has a life.
Andiazi. You got your phone.
No, they need music books. This is phased out at that time. Not?
You can see it. I think, yeah.
They had. I think they had.
Experience.
I don't think kunazo experience music book. In 2004, we didn't know music book. Sandazal.
Oh, mhlawumbe awubando isiblings ezi
wawusiqoqile. 2004.
Mna? Ubuza
P. Where 2004?
Hayibo inangxaki.
No, you're not.
Okay, but
G.
What yeyiphi wena artist wawuyibhala kakhulu ku music book?
I never wrote. I used to record a lot of umculo with the cassette and tapes. I had a stereo. Ubala, no, I didn't write. I used to memorize the lyrics by recording and then okay, cool. But Ubala, no, I didn't have time for that.
Awusasikhumbula wasithini? I think
uyifinal.
Ayi.
Oh, yini.
Come on.
Le stereo.
Ifinal zaphela around 98.
Oh, but finally. That's my mom's times, bruh.
There's no way.
Yeah, I am back.
Mna ndizelwe ifinal zisekhona. Sisadlala kwawudlala. And then zayeka udlala
kunjani uzalo 2004 kodwa ifinals lezike.
Masime ngo-2004. But ifinals zancinyathisa
those were not my thing. Look, it was not for me. My times, it was a stereo with the cassette and the head thingies.
Zingafika isidi ngesikhathi.
That says if Kalufika, yes, but it was a stereo.
Straight because zifika music, zifika ukhona. Okay, sorry. Ndifuna ubuza artist pha.
My artists, I love R&B and hip hop. So it was back in the days. It was Destiny's Child was number 1. Then Brandy, Monica, and then those girl groups. I'm not sure if you know them. Who's this girl? 808.
Yeah, I'm also
1 808. It was not even 808. The song was 808. They were black. Jonga, yes, no, yes. Yeah, we call it grouping 808, but that group was black. The girls were black, and then it was B2K, Chris Brown.
B2K, you know Marijuana.
Yes.
The wonders us. Hey.
I was like, so it was those things, and then your Orchid Sweat, Asha, Silk, Genuine,
Put that woman first.
Method Man, Redman,
Tang.
Yes,
Busta Rhymes.
Busta, yes.
Eminem.
Eminem was good. His music was miskwazi ucula along, but yeah, it was good.
Oh.
But Mtulok was nice, so I mean, you would actually love his music, but I wouldn't say it was a fave.
Fave yakhe Drake.
Drake work another time? No.
Because isikhathi kaloku usika Eminem urecovery Drake they are coming in. Weezy sebenikezela no Kanye West.
No, but Lil Wayne, yes. Kanye West, ewe. I'm trying to think. Oh, Drake, if you can.
208.
I was already in the working scene.
Oh, no momela Drake. Upangale bank. Okay, sorry.
No, but I did. But it was like, oh, okay, the busy I'm working, and yeah.
Okay.
So I didn't have much time to actually indulge on music.
Okay, so we are Puma at UT. Puma, so he has a plan. Go graduate, or you will figure it out after.
The plan, well, I was working a while. I was still at school. Then the agency that I was under just Yandifaga in my first job, which is first full-time job, which is in banking. So I was there from 2008 until I came back home, because I was in Durban for 5 years, and then I moved to Joburg 2010. Then 2014 I came back home. Okay. So I was away for about 10 years up in Mount, and then I came back.
What was your experience?
Durban was great for me. Although my mom wanted me to go to Joburg after matric. I didn't understand back then why she wanted that. Yes, they can't explain, because she could see the creative side in me, I guess. And I used to dance at school. I was in events at school, and I used to be involved in events. And I was creative. I used to do hair in high school. So I think, now she saw the creative side in me, but she couldn't articulate it or explain it to me. But the reason I would like for you to go to Joburg is because of what I see in you. So we actually went, when I applied, I was led towards KZN, went there in Dafmani Skolo. But then Durban for me became a bit too relaxed. It's too passive for me. It's relaxed. Like, it's very comfortable. But there was something in me that needed me to be under pressure. Okay. So I felt Joburg is a place that would actually put me under pressure to a point where the creative side in me is now birthed, I guess. So I'd be in a place where that actually forces me now to bring out the creative side in me. So there was that pressure, and it was other reasons and other personal experiences and bad decisions in life that led me to deciding to come back home to start afresh. Okay. But then that's where I then applied and started my business up in Mount.
Before we get into the business, do you know your favorite song, Ash? Do you want to?
Quite a lot.
Okay, all right, like quite a lot. So tell us a song until. Do you think you know when Ngoma yakhe ithanda Ash?
No, she doesn't.
Okay, but okay.
All the songs
okay, let's start with TTP no Confessions.
I'd say TTP.
Yeah,
mas TTP.
There's Confession.
TTP and mas nah.
Mas TTP.
TTP is a nice song for me because
Over Confessions.
For me, I said.
Oh, sorry.
So was fuck.
All.
For
wrong.
Yes. TTP ever for me. Because there's a bit of it reminds me of an era in my life. That's why I love it. I enjoy it. That's when I was dancing. I used to dance. It drives on. That's why I'm
Hey.
I honestly feel, and I'm sure understand it drives on guys. Tina with rhythm. Yeah, when Tina's what as causes get us on his drive.
No, when's the dance challenge?
No.
Okay.
It's she.
Pumile confessions.
Yeah, Puma can't.
Hello, we want to live. That's why I've been seeing your number.
No, but TTP, yes. I've a soft spot for TTP.
Matrimony, there goes my baby.
Matrimony,
I win.
Matrimony.
There's a question of my heart.
Plans.
You got and goes do. I'm like, remember your quads, man.
No, and quas. That's one thing I can't do. Good.
Go to the voice right. I got right voice. Yako. I go shout.
I need that. They shout.
Oh, both nice and slow. Nice and slow love in this club. I wanna make love in this club. Hey, in this club.
It depends.
How much you want? How much you need?
No, I'm what you want. I'm what you need. How much?
Oh, this Mobuzi man. Yabona ke sangena cassette mnalo. Ndakena music book. Yabona yabuzi ba ufuna malini xa kuse club yini apha. Bo? Okay, ngiphinde ngikulo lyrics. So good love in this club kanje ngonice
I'm trying to think. Okay, I still love in this club.
Okay, please ingoma endiyaziyo yawina.
And then what?
Can you help being a superstar?
Superstar is nice.
Okay. Good versus You Got It Bad.
Good is my favorite till today.
Oh, Namazu, You Got It Bad. You Make Me Wanna and My Boo.
You make me wanna.
My Boo, Ngulwan was he?
No, electric keys, yeah.
Oh, hey, did the New Flame. It's like a new flame.
And Diaz gone. My sister
Do.
Just because my son loves it. New Flame.
When your son listens to us?
He listens to my songs.
Oh, not.
But also, no, TikTok has brought back Ngoma Zakdal.
Oh yes.
So
TikTok
the young ones, no.
No TikTok.
No, but bruh. There's a lot of old songs that have challenges. Go TikTok, and Nezinya, I'm shocked that my son knows them. And they're old songs. Now years or two go by the
challenge Liana iti. Wake up in the morning.
No. Asingabo abantu pendle.
Oh. What's been on fun? Ngathi yikhuluma wena.
Am I cool?
Yabo. Try.
Guys.
Come through, Lil Freak. Oh yes.
I'm stuck because there's tenders or two.
Can you come through, you Lil Freak?
You're too much. Come on, guys. You are. I'm not sure.
We need one to go to the quarterfinals.
I see team.
Beginning of the
Lil Freak.
Oh. Umdlala ndize?
Abe nimdala ngakayiphi enye game sana edlala kudala?
Engundize nandiphekisa nophekisa upheka?
Ndingumntana mina.
Ungumntana? Awusoloko umntana kumama notata awuba ngumntana? Ungumama wena.
Oh, izandla ngiba ngumama, ndizanda ifane opportunity uba ngumama. I've always been umntana.
Oh, kana kuba umfutshane.
Hayi.
Ukhethwa njani kubani okhethayo othi wena uzoba ngumama wena uzoba ngumntana?
Dude, I ended up being umntana all the time.
Why kaloku? Utheni? Awufeke?
No. Look at that time ngokudlala. Do you remember Mosande Timna at like age 8, 9 I went to boarding school. Kangadlalwa mama nomntana boarding school. My hostel was in Quigney. Thina siwalka siyelwandle phayezantsi.
Oh, zinto zethu says yeah. So phekisa mama notata.
So we didn't have a lot xesha thina. Name hostel ese Quigney for instance. Umdlala phi undize ba?
Lo uyantywina nje. Ndosikhangela uthina uphansi kwamanzi.
John uthi sa.
I'm sure you will swim, Mos. Ungaswim?
No.
Awukwazi uqupha ngoku?
Bene cramp chom. Xa ngiqupha.
Suthetha ngoku kaloku in hindsight, but like
Back then, it's been crampy all the time.
ungixelela uba uyakwazi udansa but awukwazi uqupha. Emanzini wenze ntoni kanti? Uthi uyabatya-batya kaloku emanzini akuyeke. Okay.
No,
Okay.
I was never into swimming.
Okay. Good. Little freak.
Hi. Not fair.
Sikalosi ngoku sifuna i-one ezophuma kwakucala ne-one zophuma zizodibana.
Good. I love good. Good is nice.
Hey, funeka ke
nice
ndimamele good. And then you
And-
make me wanna when you flame. Andazi ke
Make me wanna. Almost, you make me wanna.
mna ndikhule ngomashava mna no-super no-DKZ
Yabazi mashava no
Mandoza.
super nje
wabona ngaphi ngezi sikhathi
I was in high school, what I think.
bo yabona ke mna ndandisanxiba inapukeni
Kodwa uyamazi.
kaloku babe ngabalapha e-areeni nje okay so kuseke two ngoku good no you make me one
Good.
shesa hayi no good izawulwa no-TTP superstar
TTV.
xelele
What?
matrimony love in this club
Love this club. Okay, this is now a lot.
TTP love in this club
Love this club.
okay now good no love in this club
You are both, Chum.
we can't.
No, both.
asimazi nomazi nje good thina
John,
yamazi good yava asizazi zona thina sazo love in this club unayo ne-remix good
No, doesn't need a remix. Good.
good
Oh, good. DJ does not need a remix. Who tell me good?
yamazi good hood
Oh, your mask. Look, this type like.
le ngo hayi bo uthetha into le ine-20 years le ikhona
Love in this club has got 20 years.
thini hayi bo
You lie.
yango-2004 love in this club
No. Please double check.
awunondixelela uba ngeza zikhathi hayi bo tshini
Asoze, it's not 2004.
uyanini kwango-2010
Thereabout. I suppose it's
kwango-2000s love
she.
safumana ileak mos mna ngo-204
Hope Silani.
ke-22 kaFebruary 2008
She.
love in this club
Yes, I remember because I was in Durban at that time.
yava une-memories ezininzi ugood utheni yena hood nantsi i-opportunity yosula
Hood, it's fine, Calo ndiphe nje ithishu wena idlulise. Uyadika kodwa cabanga. Akachuma. Uyadika cabanga.
so
You want i-makeup or isule Clemens? You leave it to dry on its own.
thetha le beyehle apha
Izobamba careful a bit.
le ndawo okay hayi izoba right ayibonakali kweli cala lam andibona into wrong wena chuma ubona nto okay so uyava kuthiwa you good that means uzawukhetha ugood
Unikhethi good kaloku.
ukhetha
what you doing.
yava yayiva le ngo-2008
It's fine, man. I
ngo-2028
like both. Ke ikhetha wena ke andizikhetha.
wamenza upikini emapesana
Zithini memories anazo the other song?
good
Good kaloku it reminds her of 2008.
And 11 this club is
kaloku
kaloku uthi ngu-2004 and I'm like no it couldn't have been because I think I was working at that time. Good. I just like the melody and the flow and the lyrics.
akho nto ndikhumbuza yona good
But the lyrics, Zithini. Don't they say about
Hi, guys, why you guys why
Zithini nyhani lyrics zikagood
very deep?
oyazazi
Yes, alive. Good is about exes getting along. Cha.
Cabukalakaleni basangaze siyenze to forever. Ayitsho?
Kanche.
Ayitsho i-lyric part?
No, he's
I hate that
kidding,
we
but
don't make it, or we didn't make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean I can't wish you better. We ain't good, but we are still good. What?
Maybe le ex uyicingayo.
I'm not
What?
thinking of anybody.
Oh yeah, I did. Okay. I realized that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I will be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good,
But guys,
but we are still good.
why must
Oh, I was thinking.
ngamisile
No, sis thinking.
No, I don't.
What's esibunaso?
Esiphi?
Oh, and someone walk away entertainer na idea is link. Go entertainer ne.
No.
Wow, se Jozi, go faster Jozi.
Ke ngoku xa kufast ndandi fast vile Jozi.
Chesa.
The 560.
In all my relationships. And that's like
Zangwa side chuka, zangwa na so we accept in this team.
I don't know, man. Tandias.
It's a man, because the idea, so you see bahlwabs,
Kancha.
you see entertainer everywhere, STV.
Look, I'm not everyone. I'm not everywhere.
Since it's what we call it also yazulubona and let him chat.
I don't think so. No.
What?
I don't think so, man. The thing is, the idea of marriage for me, it's not something I have in mind. Right? I don't want to get married. Life partner, yes, but not marriage.
Oh, Nando.
Timdala guys for uphinde ngoku ndiyoqhela ezinye izimbo ezintsha.
Sawuhlala soyi-2 nje.
No.
Bafika andinabazali.
Hayi njani?
Andinabazali nje.
Hayi buselani.
Okay, no, like he said,
What do you mean? There's always external parties that are going to mess up the couple's life.
Yahlonipha xa ndinemali endlini bayandihlonipha bava ndim okhalisa umculo bayadansa bona. Ndithi ndiyatshata ke ngoku ndithi qi nawe, so automatically nawe uyahlonitshwa. And siyafika nje.
There's always into yenziwa by the external parties emosha a couple. Like ipiece a couple guys iyantenga.
Wajika kwasem wena? Wajika kwasem?
Sorta, kinda.
But abafana.
I know abafana guys never ndidiniwe.
Uthini?
Go understand but no one is perfect.
But
Can
now
I
nje
deal with
you are
myself
not.
now? No, I'm not perfect, I understand that. But leave no kucinga ba yo hayi. You know ucima chomi ndisacinga na ngokucima. I'm at a space where you know what? It's all about me. I'm at peace. Everything is going well for me. Sir, the right man.
Inkumbulo azifiki. Inganuka
I'm too
azifiki.
busy. No.
Andiyazi inkumbulo ungenevi benifuna uthi nka kwathi nku.
Inkumbulo, no.
Inkumbulo.
I think you know what? You know when you Zatina, my coping mechanism, what I've found, especially even after my mom's passing, I think I directed everything to work, and then with work keeping me busy, you end up forgetting the feeling. Yeah, you end up now going through the feeling much faster. Now that's how I feel. So you end up getting used to ubabupis, and I get busy at work. So now when I leave work, I'm chasing home supper. Umntana ndimlungisele for school. I need to sleep, so I'm at work the following morning. Okay, I'm busy with work. And with that, a lot of peace came in. So I mean, I'm enjoying the peace. Why am I reaching for other things?
You are not
but I'm at
reaching,
peace?
Galo. They come to you.
And they haven't. Funny enough, they haven't. I swear to you.
Ibraziphi?
Masingazi.
Okanye awunoya ngasemva yaphambili.
Yonke phambili Tom.
Awufuna 28-year-old. Wasikhalwa nge-28-year-olds ngokuthiwa zisongo.
No.
Hawu don't worry na 13 no. Ngidlukiselela mna. Okay. So simgqibile good. Kuwina good ne?
Andiyazi. I'm loving this club ke.
Ngenxa basifundisa lyrics.
And in Nyani there's a lot to the lyrics. There's nothing to the lyrics.
Uthini
song is nice.
nice. Ansafuna no try. Did you how much you yo? Yo, call young cheese.
Zitheni lyrics
Oh, I
I love
wanna
in this
make
club.
love in this club. Yo muyini moslangoma. Ingoma yomuyini le.
Ufuna ntoni kum bhuti wam?
Ukhethe phi?
Bhuti wam ufuna ntoni
Khethe
kum?
ubuyelana or umuyini.
kodwa lo.
Zinkumbulo.
Nkumbulo apha. It's just a matter of someone proving that they're a bigger person. Andiyo ke mna ke bigger person, unfortunately, but I like the song.
Makuwina good. Makayeke umuyini lo. Sigqibile apho. Sithatha ka
It was
business.
a very tough one.
It was a tough one.
Well, I love all these songs, but okay,
Usiya umameli.
Ba,
Usiya.
unsi.
Yo, kusiya maslam. Chandelier. Wa. CIA ngusiya.
Nah. If mhlambe ngeke ingoma.
I'm gonna swing. Lo ubhale shine right like a diamond.
No, Johnny.
Ilento ndicula kakubi ne. Oh yeah, yes. Party girl.
No, if mhlambe ngayiva ingoma then probably I would know it, but biculwa ngubana ndiyazi. Siya. Uzibiza Siya naye.
1 2 3.
Honestly, when I listen to gospel hip hop now,
Usiya uyazigquma akabonakala.
even TV, I do not watch.
Emanzi kodwa diamonds ka Rihanna. Shine bright like a diamond.
I do.
Ngoma siya.
Itheni, why icula ngRihanna?
Akafuna ba famous
Then kaloku, why are we gonna know that it's Sia's song if Rihanna sang it? It's Rihanna's kaloku ngoku, right? Why are we reaching, guys?
Okay.
I no kodwa. A ghostwriter must remain a ghostwriter. So tuziveze afterwards xa ingoma caba xa seyivele yablow up, now you wanna claim but I wrote that song.
Ubhalele uBeyonce, ubhalele uAdele, ubhalele
That's
uRihanna.
perfect, but remain the ghost because we ghostwriter, right?
Okay. But uShandelier ingoma emnandi.
I don't know it. Mhlawumbe ngayazi xa noyive. That's what I was saying.
Oh, noma ile nto ngakwazi ucula. Uyakwazi ucula uchuma?
No.
Ya ukwazi urap, ubani ukwazi urap kuni?
No.
Xa kunothi dance 50,000, sifuna umuntu ozocula kanje uzorap, kuwina ba iyamka.
You're thinking kamka.
Knock you down naye lexesha usogqithile lapho.
Ubani Carrie Hilson? No, love that. Love that down. Because Knock You Down is a song. Well, you're like, it's me and my best friend's song.
Ba best friend yakho.
Best friends. It's this, and then Nonos.
Oh, and Baz.
That's our song. Oh, Baz, Nyam's Baz left.
Yeah, yes.
No, yendazi yona.
Okay, 2014 ngoku. Uthe a lot happened in Jaws. And elhlobo ubuyithetha ngalo ubuyithetha kubantu ngagrumbi bawo a lot umele ntoni. So a lot happened in Jaws.
Not a lot, but it was.
Half a lot.
So Tinina, it's needing to start afresh. It's
Okay.
things that led me to wanting to start afresh. Then I came back home and said, okay, when I come home, I'll take a break because I had been working for 7 years at that time. So I was like, let me go home, go start afresh, and then maybe after a year, I'll job hunt again. Yeah. But then when I got home, I had just recently, 2013, I registered my company, Nouveau Inc. And then 2014, I moved back home. And then Nouveau Inc. is a fashion consulting brand. Kala, I was with a friend of mine. She was my friend in varsity. We moved together to Joburg in 2010. And then we started the Nouveau Inc. thing. But first, it was Fresh Inc., INK, where we were blogging. So we attended events and we wrote about those events on our blog, like Blogspot type of thing. And then when we parted ways, then I was left with the company name, with the business name. It's like, okay, no, you can take over it.
Yeah, Fresh
Then it
Inc.
was-
ngo.
It's Fresh Inc., Nouveau Inc., because Nouveau is a French word for new or fresh. So the nu.vo, I took the dictionary pronunciation of the word of the French word nouveau. So that's where I took the nu.vo. So it was Nouveau Inc. INK because we used to blog, which is right, but Inc. is incorporated.
Oh, sure.
So Nouveau Inc. is a fashion consulting brand. It's not only makeup, it's not hair, it's actually helping you tell a story through your brand. I facilitate photo shoots, I style you, I help you tell, or I help you now plan your branding and your PR. But geographically, because I'm in East London, India Makeup took the front wheel. Then that's how now I'm known as a makeup artist. But originally it was me now helping you put together the whole package, not just makeup alone or hair alone. I did hair in high school, then Daziega. Then I slowly went into hair because when I started the business here in East London, it was for matric dance packages and graduation packages where I supply the hair. I arrange your appointments for doing the hair, for doing your nails and makeup. I never did makeup at that time. I outsourced all those services. So now it is like your personal PA where I do your appointments and everything. And then you just show up at your appointments for your dance or your graduation. And then also I joined the agency this side, and then I was tricked into working full time. I just want to build client-facing experience because at the bank I was working for, I was in back office. So I was a contact center and back office, so I was not at the branch. So I was not client-facing. And Apake being in the Eastern Cape or East London, you needed to be client-facing. You need client-facing experience in order for you to get a job or to actually qualify to get a job, or get to qualify for most jobs that would be available. So they helped me get like those 2 days standing in for admin people as officers. Until the lady that was helping me, she took me to now another interview. Paya Wati, I'm going to be standing in for someone for a week. And it was actually an interview. And then and then Paya and Ashala 3 years. I was permanent. I got the job for 3 years. So I ended up now, the metric dance packages then took a back seat for like 3 years. I was working full time. Then that's when weddings came in because I was only free on weekends. So clients then yabai imichato. And then 2019, I decided to actually now quit a corporate, join it, like, and just focus on the business full time. Then that's when I started now going back to my individual bookings and my individual clients, and then bringing back the package, the metric dance packages and graduations and stuff. Then weddings, yeah. But I still do. I love events. I love facilitating photo shoots. I love styling and helping you plan your photo shoot, the props, everything. I enjoy that. I still do it. But with service that is on demand, it's makeup mostly. That's why people then would know me as a makeup artist.
Oh, sure. Hey, this is different than the last time.
The conversation was not directed that way.
Yes. Okay, so you start, you work, and then 3 years later you decide to... 3 years later.
3 years later, I decided to quit. I was not overwhelmed. I felt ready to focus on the business full time. I felt ready. It was scary because, you'll never know. There's the thing of fearing the unknown, but there was that comforting feeling at the back of my head that says, you know what, take this leap of faith. You've taken a lot of decisions. You've started afresh a couple of times, and God has never forsaken you. And I took that leap of faith, and you know what? Shortly after that, it was lockdown. Then lockdown, then we had to now stop working. So imagine that. But during lockdown, I was then approached by manufacturers for products. This is then how my product started. So during lockdown, I was approached. They sent me samples when it was starting to loosen up into a lockdown. They sent
Level
me
3,
samples. Where they sent me samples. That's when I started my lashes and the magnetic eyeliner. A magnetic eyeliner, it's an adhesive liner on lashes without using a glue. So I started that. When I started my lashes, I had different styles, and then I approached people that I knew were friends of the business or my personal friends, where I said, if you choose a style from up, I'll name it after you. That way, it reminds me, like if it's like a Ziz lash, it reminds me, la Ziz lash by Kalanjan, and who made the first sale. So we had different names. They were named after people's zonke lashes based on the type of lash the person chose. So for me, I like that. It also reminds me and grounds me also to remember, but these are the people that actually planted the seed for you to be where you are. And they actually bought into this thing, that you were actually proposing to them. Because it takes a lot for a person to say, okay, cool, I'm keen. I'll play along with you. Even if they don't understand, they'll say, okay, I'll play along. It's fine. Do what you need to do. I believe in you, So that's how now the lash line started, and then the magnetic eyeliner. And then after that, I moved on to a blending sponge, say makeup. And then I moved on to makeup brushes. And then it was eyeshadow palettes. Then I was 2019 again, 2020, I was working from home, right? But then you'd find people would want to come see the lashes. So imagine I'm busy with a client here at home, and then so for me, that was kind of a bit tricky because appointment so I can't say please wait and you're bonus some lashes. I think next to you know what I mean? Even though you send them pictures, they're not satisfied with the pictures they want to actually see. So that's what pushed me into now opening a shop, because you need people to come into the shop and look at the things. Because you're alone and you're with your client, to window shop, and it kind of client. So the products are what pushed me into opening up shop. So
what's the matter? It's in San of shop.
Yeah, I opened 2021.
Why does it feel like it's been there for a long time? I've seen you before then. We
used to work together in Michatwin. Do you remember?
Sure. Yeah, it makes sense. And then
2021, I opened up shop. Yeah.
Okay. So everything starts. What confirms Yongele Lendo after all? Imagine until Kala 3 years span, what do you want to focus to this? Boom, lockdown. And then the lockdown, then something comes along, ego keep high or afloat, and then what confirms everything for Renaba? I think I'm in the right direction, on the right path.
Yes, honestly, you are never quite sure why you're in the right direction, but it's always the things that you achieve along the way. It's only in city after 3 months, okay, this is working. But for me, I'm going to be honest, Nyani, I never am sure, because there's always that thing, am I really making the right decision or not? But it's always a leap of faith type of thing. We are ends up because you want it, and Uthixo knows your heart, and and should it not be the idea that he had of you, a lesson will come out of it anyway. Yeah, because there's a lot of things I deterred along the way. There was a lot of things, but as long as I experienced Zam, they are now contributing to me, to what I am actually, to how I am running my business rather. They are contributing factors in how I apply skills that I learned. I'm applying them in my business now. 3 years of working. For me, in DT, I was tricked into working, but maybe that was God ordained for me to actually work. Yeah. I'm ready to run a business full time. Maybe while I'm working, I've got a set salary, while gay weekends I'm applying good business and busy and learning, because there was a lot of trial and error at that time between 2015 and 2019. I invested a lot. Most of my salary would go into my equipment, would go into makeup, you know, because I'm investing in the business, because I know, I am hoping that along the way, this is the business that's going to feed me. I'm going to draw a salary from this in the long run. That was my aim. So I didn't flinch if I had to buy, okay, you need a Godox light, I'll go buy it. I'll save money. If I need more makeup, or I've got sensitive eyes, I don't use this, I'll go buy exactly what they use for their skin, because I know it will help me along the way. And going back to your question about when do you know that you've done the right decision? You never know, guys. It's
Uzibona soyenza isidala and then
ubona soyenza isidala, and Goku, yes, this is what my 11th year doing in the business full time from 2019
as well.
Neighbor,
as a coping mechanism. So
you had to, hey.
But
You're not supposed to go back and use that and use that as an example.
Oh, andiyazanga ba uthi uthethe kanti awufuni kuthethwe ngayo.
But what uyiphinda kodwa uyivile nesimenye.
Oh, xolo. Okay. We have a set of questions.
Okay.
For
you know, when I met you, when I told her, no. Yes.
Of all
When one of the weddings, I think it was it not Elibote? Kodwa kwaliqala kodwa emtshatweni.
What uhlala East London?
No.
That's in that area.
Kaloku nina nanifota while I was working. So I was tired, but you would like quite guy, but kaloku yazi, so you guys are working together. You can kuphela kuncokolwa kujokwa kuthweni. You were so quiet.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
Since it was
So naninjani mina xa udibana nami kusetyenzwa emtshatweni?
Kokuqala ndandicinga fama ungumntana.
Until
ngoku.
What do you mean ngoku?
Like I thought mhlambi ungumntana wefamily. For most part abantu bathetha kwalapha abantwana manje usinazo uyayenza lento uzawusenza. So kule ndawo zasekulo.
Oh yeah.
Yes, ndancinga umntana pha. Cha awudunxibe. Bayanxiba abanye abantwana lapho.
And you see, I blend in with the family.
Uthule userious. Eat man. Please close. Hey, street lo mntana lo. Pa. Kwade kwanxitywa waqokelela into zakho wahamba. Okay, thank you so much. And then
but even at least I blend in with the family. I'm part of the family xa ndiphangela.
Mna ke andiblend no blend, amsikube ngathi andikho ndiba fly on the wall. Umuntu uzibona later on.
Look, I have to blend in because I interact with almost everyone.
Oh.
And I need to step in sometimes and ndicingele umtshakazi ba guys ixesha into ethile nilungisile into ethile. But they do
abanye. Try to make up artist bizalibamba nalona.
Yo.
Because
no, when I used to when I was at a point where Dan said, okay, if I would get married, first of all, there will be a roll call. It task team Yama, my friends, they're not going to be guests at the wedding. They're my task team. Your makeup is at around 5. If you missed your slot, was going to IP. Because from, I'd say, then we have our champagne breakfast. And then I start getting ready. And at that time, I imagined myself, but I'll have an English cut. So, I ta auto low, sit down. There's a figure pan, and like, don't focus, fuck up. Manage. Then get one photograph here, photo site. Police wait. Yeah. And then the tongue yam, then designs makeup yam. And then, yes.
Okay.
Please. Okay. Designs makeup yam. Fine. And then my friends, which is the toss team, bahambe ke bayohoya at the venue. So benxibile bona bahambe because it will be an afternoon wedding. Bayohoya abantu abadala, if it's seating people, making sure people are seated properly, people are finding their seats. Yabona into enjalo.
Uthatha ucinga ba uthatha nomvenda ke ngoku. Kanye.
Oh, why umvenda?
Hayi andiyazi andicingi kodwa ba ungathatha nomXhosa.
And I don't think so.
Yava.
But ke ngoku andisawucinga umtshato ebinqoneni yam so andiboni
Bunothatha ipintlanga nejari.
I'm kidding. I would actually chata any ntlanga yomntu that I gel with. When ndimthandayo. Doesn't matter.
Kubathena amadoda abaXhosa.
Yes, it's not even about intlanga. It's about just men.
Bakho grand.
Not that abekho grand, but it differs nge upbringing yomntu and how society has excused men. Nezimbo zabo. Society has excused men a lot, I feel. So it's not about intlanga yomntu, it's about the upbringing yomntu. Uba ukhuliswe njani and excuswe njani and kowabo and everything. What things were allowed because now I'm raising a boy child and I'm trying to make sure that he will be a gentleman. He's not going to be a guy he's not going to be that type.
Okay.
That's my prayer and that's also my aim when I'm raising him.
What can we do better as Xhosa men?
Why Xhosa men specifically? What can you do better as men?
Percentage bras kaloku mna.
Eziphi bras?
Baya kuthiwa most
As
kwintlanga
men,
zonke eSouth Africa
you're all men,
eyona ntlanga ithatha outside intlanga yayo. Ephi?
All of them. No, but all of them though. All of them.
Because it's that ngo.
Yeah, okay, it's fine, show me. Tomorrow wrong. Don't put I'm chatting because I'm different chatting.
But like man, now it's uyayazi nje xa uyokwenza makeup uthi umyeni okay.
Hence I'm saying it's everyone that marries outside of their thingy.
But
their
abafuna
culture and race.
Go social media abafuna abaXhosa men Xhosa
Look,
men.
there's this reputation or this stigma and ke ngoku abanye babo bayade bafune uyenze ba ibe into typical ba yeah he's Xhosa, that's why. It's not deep, guys, just be human. Lento ba Xhosa men are nonchalant, Xhosa men will break your heart. Xhosa
Yo
men will
nako ke unonchalant Mr Nonchalant.
Nonchalant,
Sping.
Oh.
Ambona njoke nonchalant apha. Kuthe kwathiwa cela unike ichacha baby. Khanga react.
Omunye uyoxhuma phansi wabetha kula camera.
Uxhume xa uthiwa makaza nento yosula.
Baby yo waxhuma khanga xhume ke apha. Jongakaze noza naye nento yosula nangoku.
Ufike sewusulile.
Oh. Yemba?
Yava kawuphendula nonchalant babili.
Then nonchalant. And then
uchalant ngaba bantu ba elawe. Kalonza kuxelele opposite yakhe.
Chalant.
Yeah, uchalant ngaba bantu ba prepreselayo. Yabo. And basoloko be hands on. Khona ngayaziyo ngawe. Bawo baby cela uchume hawu hayi mntu wami.
Sepha phezulu.
Yabo ngaba bantu banjalo. Uhamba ngo6 late umfonele ngo2 kazonithatha mntu wami selapha phandle awumazi lo mfana uthena akanabomi buthi nontoni ukhawuleze lapho kuchalanto lo.
Okay. Nonchalant.
Belungu ke yabo.
No.
Bambisanga sakho Hemingways.
But guys, it's not about race, land and culture. God, men are just men. They are
nonchalant ke yena. Ifone yakho nithi oh Nova.
Novo even.
Ufuna useva ngoba?
Igama lam. Nefani yam.
Buwo ngathi sixabene.
Asixabenanga.
All right. Oh Novo. Okay. Xa isizawuyeka unanzika. Hayi mntu wami.
Ha.
Kono upholile.
Wena nesitshisa ke. That's why ndingafuna ujoya.
Ndithetha kayi-4.
Kule ndithetha yena.
Wena uyathetha nithi okay. So bucinga senze njani? Okay. I think ngizakwazi ujikela lapho in the next hour. Oh, but no. Okay, ngizaqethanga no bye ke baby. Cimile phone. Nithanda lo ndo nini?
No.
And
Please
chazinyani.
don't do that to me.
Ufuna benjani?
Kayibo, khawube normal
Be-chalant.
benguwe. Iba ngumuntu, akunyanzelanga ube chalant. Ewe, if that's your character, please, but suba ngulo dikayo.
Uchalant.
Uyadrina, nonchalant.
Oh,
Yadraina kaloku
phakade
sana.
phakade.
Ngathi ufuna ukucengwa wena.
Okay, hayi
The
kuvile.
thing is, you can do that if nawe uzoyithatha the same way when it's done to you. Problem is that nonchalant people don't like that.
Uphindisa.
But kaloku, what you sow is what you reap. You get out what you put in.
Nicebisa nezinto kozisip and paint. Nicebisa nezinto.
Isiphe paint naben. Mna ndisiphe nshop ndiyathengisa no balance. Paint yandini ndiyathengisa.
Like
No.
Umculo
ingxaki,
umoshakele,
guys,
nguye,
but
understand?
Mamela, no, but also Lando, it's like human nature. You can't put in mhlambi wena apha kum uyagxavaza yandidlavaza xa uthetha undiphendula kakubi uthini uphinde expect umphinde ucenge
awuzicenga lokhu.
uzothini shom uzothini
Okay, izaba ngathi ndithethelele umdlavazo. Awudla
guys
but sensitive
noba
ba.
kubani ke even in friendships guys even naku colleagues noba ngubani na siyakroneka isimilo at some point we all have feelings ngabantu if you put in nonsense you will get out in nonsense and kumne I mirror what you give me.
I don't think there's a man downright
Uthini?
ufika nonsense entombini.
Bakhona aba that are really nonchalant. They think that they are God's gift to women. And uqombe sana, you're not even that deep. Like you're not even all that, sir.
You might
Ndikwenzela ne favor nami ngothetha nawe. But ke
zintoni ezize favor. Kala xesha la yakho ke ngozawukhula babengayithandi ngobhuti londo bathi kwenzela ifavor.
Kaloku awuyithethi loo nto leyo uyicinga lapha koqomjonqom wena if only you knew.
So we believe be exist league.
Into
Xa kuthiwa abantu bani is out of your league.
well, society has made it to exist, weke, and in terms of ambition, as ambitions, your drive, your goals. So awuzuthi wena une drive une ambition ufuna uzibona usendaweni ethile you go for someone who's going to give you 10 reasons why lento uyifunayo is not going to work. That's not going to work for you.
Okay.
Uleague wena I think umjongele emalini ne
Not really.
yes you did
Njonga la ku status.
status intoni ku mali and
Ayomali status. Well, it's a combination of ayomali yodwa status.
what did I say?
Imali yodwa status.
What did I say?
I believe status is an overall combination of power, money, influence.
Yes, but do you know what did I just touch on? Ambition, drive, and ambition again in life. Awuzukwazi uba nomuntu who has no ambition, who has no drive, who's not self-motivated. Ayizukuncedisa loo nto unemali ungenayo imali.
Xa abantu ke ngoku besithi yela mithisa lo mntana wena because uzawuvuka ezingqondweni. Bathetha ukuthi ambition yakho is less than hers.
Because kaloku, no, I think Leo, that's the blueprint yamadoda where they think that should this girl be exposed to better than you, uzokushiya.
And bayenza.
Yes, that's true. Because most men sometimes they worry that this girl is going to find people that are better than me, and then uzophinda ke ngokabone into ezirongo ngami okanye my lacks, but okay, I'm lacking here, or I'm not making an effort here. Adibane nomuntu who's going to show her by man. If my man wanted to do this, he would have done it. Kutheni lo ekwazi yenza and my man is not doing it. Then you start comparing no swa ana man. So that's what with men is that ba mithi engakavuka emaqandeni, meaning that she can find better than you because I mean
Obviously there's always someone better than everyone.
true, but not entirely, I feel. They might seem on face value but they're better than your existing partner now. Kuhambe ixesha kanti you could have handled izimbo zale existing partner yakho than ezalo. Seems better.
Ulomba yo hayi lona
Yes.
hayi
So singabantu guys, sonke asikho perfect. We all need work. We all need to show each other, teach each other how. This is how I like to be treated. This is how I like to be loved. This is my idea of a partnership.
Okay.
Yabo?
Do men prefer natural beauty or makeup?
They don't know what they want.
They don't know.
No. And
Back
they
makeup, back then natural.
I don't know what they mean by, because and this is a typical thing that everyone you hear. I'm sure uyaiva all the time. Men will go and tell their partner, "Hi, umhle makeup," yet he's going to cheat on you with umdone makeup.
Okay.
Cat caught your tongue.
It's
What?
not.
Yep.
Yes, a relationship thing about honest, ne?
And exactly true.
Ungabuz ba pepi nchebile.
No,
You trick question leyo.
No,
If
but
we
you
say hi,
find mamelane. But you find men will say it unprovoked, but hey, umhle yazi wena baby ngena makeup. Bubuzong ba?
when I want to straight to a relationship.
No, but bubuzong bani, because that's my face, and I prefer to do makeup, and I enjoy myself in makeup, and I love makeup. So when
So the next question was, would you date a guy who doesn't like makeup?
if willing to accept it, but akayithandi and then uzoba right, angenze comments, it's fun. Thina ngayithandi imenze into.
Hey, yes, hello.
I think the thing is, it depends on the comments that one makes when it comes to makeup. I can probably date, yes, umuntu who doesn't like makeup, fair, but ungabuthi into is funny. Xa ndiyenzile makeup. And that's my bread and butter. Akutheni ungazuyithanda.
Oh yeah. Kubetter umntu yabona la contour buyenza pha.
Please don't be involved. It's okay. Be a man. Be a man, please.
Hayibo umuntu akusupporta nje umuntu wakho.
It's okay, baby.
Ushota ke foundation ushota yabo azazi nezinto ezifunayo.
Kutheni uzoyazi foundation? Yellow eyeliner.
Ba umuntu wakho.
Why do you know it?
Ubuza kum.
I love it when a guy doesn't know what he's talking about when it comes to makeup. Please don't know everything.
Hayibo. Awuyazazi moto lo.
Does lappy?
Hayibo. Oh, bethi sidudla apha nje. The last time we were lapho wayesithi khonyithi ke nandivunde duty.
Oh, was my duty.
Huh? I-duty yabo.
Turn to the left.
Yabo nonchalant. Or bambe or. Okay, so we have these two. How did you get your first paying client? Do you still remember?
I'm trying to think. My first paying client. Jesus. It was a matric dance group. God, I think it was a school from Butterworth.
Or babekwazi from Pau kanye?
No, I was here in East London. Man does it up through social media. Social media.
Ukhona umuntu ofunda naye famous kuzo zonke izikolo okay wafunda kuzo.
Primary school was Ubusiswa.
Busiso ba?
Ubusiswa lucela.
Yeah.
We're in primary le boarding school in ngayo mina quickly. So it's a class A1. But I'm not sure she was in her. Is there any presenter? Yeah, let's just go with her.
Uyakwazi ngo? Chesa. Una number yakhe?
I'm not sure.
I
think I do. I think it's a corner.
Una number yomntu famous kakhulu oyewena umuntu famous na number yakhe khona sakomba.
I'm a makeup artist, bra.
Since yena famous.
Can go by no yena famous, but there's famous people that I have in numbers abo.
Kabiza no bayi-1 ufuna ubona level of fame.
How do you then determine a level of fame? Because ababantu are people that would need my services. Abaninzi babo.
Ufuna ubona manje amazi kaloku namna.
Utabsi, I did her wedding in 2016.
Uyafana no Tabsi bra. Ngifela ukuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Una crush.
Kube hayi azatab zami eziya.
Intento yakhe.
Yes, buza pha kubhudwe or.
Ufuna ma Tabsi wena?
there's anokwazi bana slender isukube kanti umtatakhe isukube kanti umdala kakhulu than I actually am so ndikhangele ngokunyama.
Okay, yeah, I did Tapsi's wedding in 2016 because she got married in 2016.
But we actually do look like if we noma ku role.
I think Bubu something.
Akafani no Taps
Because also no young girl fans on the Taps. I think Bubu something.
Akafani no Taps. Bra ungudadwabo. Okay, sorry.
Okay, Bonnie. I think Bubu something man.
Oh, that's ngokubiza Taps iklikile bakubani ona nikufanisa naye.
Yan.
Kube kuya ngaba ukwazi ucula. Ekuzothiwa uTapsi.
I'm gonna stand in for her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uthi Mondi.
Bizwe ku hit wave. Uthi qiwa stage. Bayibona uvo.
Tapsi, what do you mean?
So good Tapsi man.
So I did Tapsi's wedding. I'm trying to think of the time frames. Okay, I've done her wedding. Unomuzi.
Mostly. Cast time it was for life. Most good in Canaba.
Who's corner?
Oh my baby. Yabona ke okay, sorry. Yeah,
What?
but Yena. Yeah.
It's go to Lamzi and Lamziva.
Yes,
Corner, Lerato.
Lekhanyago. Go why Pukshelo Stadium.
Huh?
Go Pukshelo Stadium song.
But she's coming a lot. SCP Stadium song.
Go Pukshelo
No,
Stadium.
but when they've come here. In
Okay.
London.
Hayi kunbulela akekho umuntu endimaziyo akekho abamnandaze abantu ba like ngabantu mano balapha eMzantsi like awukama
Balapha eMzantsi nje abantu.
sensitsho like there's all I find mna yabo
Oh, ndiyaduba wena.
kanjani
Awu,
sensitsho lokhu I feel like
Hayi man.
yamazi ayifana
Ayibona amazi.
sensitsho like you interaction wise
I don't know him personally.
I think it's the Anati.
I love Anati. No, I love his music. I love his creativity. Oh, when I get that guy, his music speaks to me.
Oh, Nak music.
And was Ngologanaka. What?
Oh, more 280.
I was around.
Zangu generation most. There was no
We
way.
were making love in the club. Club.
Quick. Midland.
No, I met in the club. In a club, met in 2010.
Chini. Kuphi kule ndaba endikuyo kana?
You go News Cafe. It's a News Cafe at that time.
News Cafe club kanye ndo.
It's a restaurant.
But yes, club ndo ne because nase parks ndo club kanye ndo.
And yes, a restaurant. A restaurant parks, right?
Izaza yona.
Restaurant.
So asina club East London.
Not that I know of.
Vegas way baby. I just oh my
It was a restaurant as well, but it had entertainment at night.
Oh, Brigato.
Brigato was a club.
Wise guys. Ngikena wise guys.
Wise guys.
Python saying.
Wise guys.
Awukhumbuli kwa comedy nights pa.
I never went to comedy nights at Wise Guys.
Zangu waya ku comedy night.
No, I went 2 or 3 times at Wise Guys, but it was not a comedy night. And wawungakanani went at that time.
Then from the forward things as kat nende
I was comedy night. I've never been to comedy night at Wise Guys.
Bra.
Never. Zange ndaya.
Awukhumbuli 2015?
2015.
2015 that bana nawo pa.
Hayi. That man now kaloku mnemtshatweni told me not a Wise Guys.
Usasizange ndithethe yalo.
Never. It was not me. Not me. Not 2015. 2015 I never used to go out. Mntana wami semncinci at that time.
Takubona phina.
Ulu was like 324. I would not have gone out at that time.
Sange ndakubona masikwezi ndawo. Ufandisi sihambe mina ezindawo ngizathi ndiyothini ba. Ndiyabambeka kwaze nabanga ndibounce. Hayi baphuthi umnyango nabani kuthiwa
Yabuzisa uyikwa. Awuyikwa.
Anze yathini
Mntana enkonzo kaloku wena sho.
Wesi ngepasika sendilinikiwe ilizwi lami.
Ne uzoshumayela? Khasiphilize ke thina singazi epasikeni.
Awuye epasikeni?
Ndiphangela.
Amna ndiyagiga umgqibelo but ngila Friday ndiyoshumayela.
Beniphangela ke mna ke la Friday.
Kuthiwa ilizwi lam ngumnyana nakunyoko. Nyoko nakunyana.
Kenze kanjani?
Awuyazi?
Kutheni ithina lo hlobo?
Ithini kanti?
Ithi nyoko nokunyana, nyana nokunyoko. Yayivani le?
Itsho.
Ithini ke kai explain ke kum ke.
Basically ngokwasemnqamlezweni obviously mama wakhe is in grief like
because
traumatized. Then anele banguJohn na lo laba abecango mamakhe. So now uthi in my stead John will be yabo. Obviously you will not recover from losing your own child.
Yeah.
But John will be a gap filler for me.
Okay.
So don't despair. John is still around. I think. And I found, but send it says I found. But it makes sense. It does not make sense.
For me it does, but ibandla lizo make sense.
Kalonza ishumayela lokho. Yabo sayifaka fafavu. I won't believe.
Like believe.
Send a video yamncane ngiboshumayela.
Another space.
Oh, sorry.
Another space. It's fine.
Tell us about your worst client experience. No names.
There's a lot of them, but worst person is man, and then they make you waste time when doing something. I was actually the better way of doing things, but and then now you need to take more time now in going back to what you advised.
Oh, sure.
And then omnye is people man that are not considerate of people's time.
Figure late.
Ungafika late but communicate it so that sukwazi ukuhlangabeza. I'm all about communication so that I meet you halfway.
Okay.
That's the one thing I love. Communicate on time. Yes, as an hour before buzoba late so that sikwazi ukuhlangabezana nawe. I don't like pointing out the wrong or the negative on a person, and I don't like what Jesus I hate that. Ingaske you'd give me an opportunity to help you sikwazi ukuncedisana so that both of us are not inconvenienced and both of us win at the end.
Okay.
And ithandla ba benchilo kanye I said so or I said bendichilo. You know what I mean?
Yes. Ooh, 1 hour 17. Okay, quick fire. We'll do quick fires later and then we close. Because I can't believe we've been talking for an hour.
Yeah, it's been long.
It's been 35 minutes. The last one was 35 minutes.
Ended.
Soft glam or full glam?
What is soft? What is full?
Quick fire. We are saying,
that's my question. What is soft? What is full? Makeup is makeup.
Oh,
Next
okay.
question.
Foundation or concealer? What
Those work hand in hand. Concealer conceals.
Okay.
Foundation is foundation.
Okay. 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 Brushes or beauty blender?
Both.
Okay, it's more suppose
Brush, you apply with a brush, then you blend with the beauty blender. I can work with any.
Okay. Natural brows or bold brows?
Natural, because you need to bring out your own natural brows.
Bridal or photo shoot makeup?
They're more or less the same. Because the photo shoot makeup is different because there's different ways you want to actually portray glow photo shoot. It depends on the theme of the photo shoot. Bridal, I'd say if I'm seeking or I'm hungry for creativity, I'd say photo shoot makeup because there's different styles and everything. And then if I want to ease through everything, bridal, because bridal is always similar style. But it has a lot of pressure to it because Lumdumenzayo is under pressure themselves. So la energy yoba stressed, it transfers over to you, uba drained at the end of the day. No, and I try to calm her down. You don't think of other things. okucabisileyo khangayicingi naye khangayazi uzoyicinga ngolhlobo. It's not about them, it's not about
Because no one comes to a wedding to ruin you.
your day, because now they're trying to they are trying, like, they mean well, but at the same time, when are you thinking, why wouldn't they think about and not all of them know you that much, you know?
Last one. Celebrity you'd love to work with.
A celebrity I'd love to work with? Kelly Rowland. She seems cool.
La, la, la. Don't you dare slow down.
It took a while for me to figure out. Like, I love Kelly. I've loved Kelly Rowland from school days. Like, I love Kelly. I'll go crazy if I would meet her. Like, I would want to be her friend. Like, I'd be a groupie, literally.
There's an agency that I usually have communication with. I could try and say it.
Why is everyone shocked at this?
Ay, mnantila nabantu baba.
Ushalant shocked.
Akakho shocked Chaland. I know a lot of, because eventually I wanna go and do this.
Please go with me.
All these numbers that I have.
Please go with me.
Serious. Kuzawusathini let's get phakela na visa sathi sizinto
Hayi ufuna ka visa namfuna yam?
Oh asithi siyama soyithi
No, not necessarily, but ngifuna uhamba nami.
Oh sure okay
Where we going, Qal?
Massachusetts.
Why there? Kubani
Umuntu
pa?
endimaziyo
Kubani lo?
uhlala pha
Ba?
ngomtshita wam
Bani?
kumtshita wam endiluke naye wahamba wayohlala eLondon for 3 years then wahamba wayohlala pha so we communicate hamba ndencancelo uyenzayo man qokelela imali uzwakale yabo so ufuneka ngiqokelele imali because uvisa ukuthi at least man benento 45 kanje ezoba
Undawoni
ku 45 ezoba secaleni
Undawoni ngokulokhu lomqokelelo.
Pamela
To me, undawoni kulomqokelelo 10%, 5%.
what's your relationship with mali as a businesswoman?
Imali.
Yes.
You spend money in order to make money.
You money spender, you saver, invest.
I like, for me, Shem, it's mostly investing back into the business.
Awuna guilty pleasure. Wow, ilwimi selisongekile caba lithi uvalile lewe.
Ewe. For women, bro, it's always clothes, hair, makeup, shoes.
Okay. Nanze camera yakho. Xa ubukele le episode. What would you like to say to yourself? I don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Uthini?
Ufunthini kuwe xa ubukele le episode and think na in 5 years time xa uphinda uyibukela ufuna ube kanti uthini kuwe. Message to yourself.
I can't think of it now.
Okay,
I
message
can't.
to your son. Ke.
Lubu. That's it. No, man, I don't have a message. Sorry, Nyan, I don't.
For your
You've
son.
caught me off guard. Even for him, like, Tanu mkhulu ngothi Lubu. Huh?
Message to your ex.
No message at all.
Good.
Nope, not even good.
What? A message to
I'm not
Chuma.
saying you're not good. Huh?
Message to Chuma.
Okay, message to myself. Girl, I hope by now you've achieved what you've always wanted to achieve. And one question, are you happy with yourself?
Are you happy with yourself?
Where I am now, yes, I am. But
Happiness in don't.
half. With happiness is, are you content? Are you happy with what you're doing every day when you wake up? Are you fulfilled? Says Duzenzayo on a daily.
Hey. Mantombazana kuthiwa
That's
ayayeka
happiness.
nasemsebenzini ngenxa bengekho happy.
Regular. How are they going to pay the bills?
Hey, hayi anibhida lo hey. Mna umsebenzi ondibhadala ichwebe serious noba uboss ungiqhoba ngempama. Qobe serious kaloku mhlambi ichweba enikwazi ukulungisa zonke into zami ayifiki naseyafini xa
But
ndisigqiba.
uqhwebelani boss?
Sensitsho kaloku nobe environment toxic ndingahlala.
Qhweba back.
Ekwazikulwa?
I think that day I would answers. I don't think there was
Zange walwa akuliwe mose boarding school. Otherwise thixelwa phaa erumini. Phose ziglass detention. Jonga idonga. Bayicinga njani loo nto uba jonga idonga?
It's frustrating for them. It's frustrating for umuntu ozojonga again. Abantwana abancinci umntwana uyakwahlala still. Kakwazi.
So kwakuthiwa makajonga idonga.
I'm frustrated because unomova.
You are relax on edongeni. Into akho ngxaki imini yonke futhi.
No, you can't. Not as a kid.
Azange wanantsika awunamntu maziyo setrongweni bayomvisit. Unganvisit am.
Why would you ask for me to?
Come ndithi unqabile fondini.
You are Joe. Why is no then? Why? Why ndizokunqabela?
Imama kaloku eziyaphasi yozikubetha ngamagama amnandi apha. Kwenze time kaloku achoose.
You are son.
Qala ngetime kuthi amankasonibona.
No, why?
Yeah.
Look, if person is show me that much, like, there's no one London.
Oh, so.
Why is
Umuntu kuze bechomi yakho ufuna uthini?
Huh?
Umuntu kuze bechomi.
It just happens. It's organic. Yes, and sekela si plan. Asi engomplito ba ngiceba ichomi yakho ngisho. It yes and sekela la.
Zange wacela uba ichomi yakho.
Well, people do that in passing, but it never happens because I mean, ucela njani uba ichomi.
Oh.
Mhlambi ku it's breaking the ice okanye nje iqhuba incoko.
Oh, so udibane naye phi yanquma? Ufunda naye?
No.
Uthe umdala? Well,
I know.
nne.
Tanga yakho chom.
Dina 35 nangabe.
Little sister yam chom.
Una 30 ngapha. 33. Oh, ndikhotmani yakho.
Ngitsama phumla.
Os nitwena phi?
Little sister. Sidibana umuntu.
Oh, kwabantu babizileka lo khange umbize. Ndiyazosinazo mna ndazinonantsika. Naloqala ngo-A.
You have a memory, hey?
Yeah. Ndiyibamba lo ndenzela kandidibane nawo kenye imini. Hayibo sandazi. Yabo.
Because hayi ngulo qala ngo-A.
That way.
Qala ngo-A.
So yeah, man, I think 1 hour 30 minutes.
Sana,
thank you
it's
so
been
much.
long.
Yes, thank you so much for coming. And
Thank you for having me.
again. Imagine.
Where's the other one? I want to see that one.
I'll show you after. We can even drop both.
Okay.
Okay, we can the other one we can take it parts as Chile that you like, bah, and then we drop this one as a full one. Yeah, because that one was it was good now. But kuyo kum. It's now.
How you pussy?
Seriously. Also new side of the studio and phezulu. Even kwa wena nje uthi hayi nayifu.
Hi, pussy.
Thank you so much for coming.
Pleasure. Thank you for having me.
I thought but shoot episode man, we have another show where we just discuss general things. But shoot late yona. Bencinga ngokubenibuza ixesha nalo. I will try and get.
Yeah.
Ndivuyile ngokungena nabo nqona bazawuthetha but bathi bangabantu abashayi. So I think the next
They're
time
not
you
shy.
come. Yeah?
They're not shy.
Both all get thetha nje. Bad.
Bad.
Nalo kuba ngafunanga good. So bad. But yeah, you can how free late, let me know. We like to. But yeah, into better ngezo yabantu bafuna ukwenza makeup babe bahle. So umuntu ukhangela imini ke ngokazawunantsika ngayo and usually ebusuku uba busy kakhulu xa udress up for lo mini. But if you are it's an open door policy, you can come through anytime.
problem.
Abantu
talk about it.
bazokufumana phi and then we close.
Okay, my social media handles, it's Nouveau Ink Beauty Bar on Instagram, Facebook, and then my personal Instagram and Facebook, Tina Chevu. And the shop where I operate is called The Beauty Bar. On Instagram, it's The Beauty Bar EL. TikTok, it's The Beauty Bar EL. Our number is 062 699 7629.
Nisivile masibrazam. Mhlawumbe khona.
Why ibraz? Oh, ibraz upukushela abantu bazo. Yeah.
So I'm entertained nomuntu ozishaya ngawo ke.
Ngifuna ntoni?
Wena lo.
Ngiyabhora mna.
Yabo okay.
Why?
But right,
Abhora benza ntoni?
because awunawo nerves. Yabona baba la way uthi umgqibele sithi ye Hemingways xa umfonela siqethe king sibheke bisho. Hayibo. Awusend alert no alert yabo things like that. But yeah man, thank you so much for coming. This has been the Nayful podcast. I think we're episode 70 something, 78 or 79.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, on a guest. Annually it's on leqo 60 episode 60. Xa ifika kuqala 100 ngezinye sibe 110 though. And then just continue with everything.
That's cool.
Yeah, so yeah. We're out.
Thank you.